before the SRT, I did test drive a Hellcat, and the salesman was very cool. I was able to put the pedal down and hear that supercharger there, that I had. And, I'll tell you, I was underwhelmed on that test drive. And it was similar to when I picked up my SRT after having the Whipple on it. I was underwhelmed, but I just kind of chalked it up as normal because that's what I had experienced on the Hellcat. But ultimately, listening to how the vehicle responded or drove, something didn't seem right. It didn't feel right. We put it in the shop. So this tuning correction that was done, I would say would be the equivalent to having the Whipple installed and tuned correctly from the start, right? Having everything done correctly and no issues. So I was told that the only way to really improve on this tune it would have to be dynoed. That would be the only way to make this 100% and perfect, would be to have it dynoed. Is this a one-off? It happens to everybody? I do not know. This is a real reaction, guys. I'm a little embarrassed to put it up. It did choke me up a little bit. It was everything I'd hoped for. It was everything I wanted. And it was everything I thought it was going to be in the beginning. Like, this is awesome. All the issues and problems that I had before, it seems like they are now gone. It does not hit a wall. This thing starts pulling noticeably at around 2,500 RPMs. It's with little pedal down. It is a night and day difference. I cannot express that enough. How much can it really change, right? And the only thing I can say is we're going to find out, because we will be going back to the drag strip. I got a little bit of footage here for you now. Hope you enjoy. More POVs to come. Rain or shine, day or night, we can get those 0 to 60s, launches. Gotta be dry ground, drag strip, closed course in Mexico, Anyways, questions, comments, feel free. Always welcome. Enjoy your day. Peace.
So I just picked this up. This is August 5th, I believe. August 5th, y'all. I just picked this up. I am driving this thing home, and holy shit. Holy shit. This motherfucker runs. This is a whole different fucking vehicle. Oh my gosh. I can barely contain myself right now. It brought me to tears how this thing is amazing. Holy shit, y'all.
Motherfucking scoots, bro. I think it's fucking sick, man. I heard you turn that car up there. I'm like looking around for something. I'm like, what the fuck is that? And I say to you, like, wow. I'm like, what the fuck?